whisper our lips, sweet as poison. Felt ill from your kiss. I got drunk off your demons. One sipping, I'm lovesick. Built a home, turned to ruins. Followed you into the night. Couldn't let you leave, watch you leave.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. This one will be a quick one. So, from the day Apple have announced iOS 14 for my iPhone, as a technology nerd, I was itching to get one on my iPhone. A pre-version got released for the developer last week, and now there's another version has released, which is a beta for the public. So I thought, why not download the same and take you guys on the journey? So let's start. So first, as a disclosure, this is a beta version released for public, which means it's not as stable product and can cause problem to your daily driver. So if I were you, I would never upgrade my daily driver as of yet. So since disclaimers are out of the way, let's get started. First and foremost, back up your phone. This needs to be done if you want to come back to the previous version of iOS again. I'm on Mac and I'm connected my iPhone with it. So you guys can use Windows as well. Once you connect your iPhone with the Mac, within Finder, you'll find the iPhone, select one and click on Backup and you're done. Now, match your iPhone model with the model on the screen that I'm showing at the moment. These are the devices that are compatible with this new iOS 14. If you do not find your iPhone on the list or you're not running iOS 13 on your device at the moment, then I'm afraid your device is not compatible with this upgrade. Moving ahead to the exciting part now. To start the download, we need to go to www.beta.apple.com. You will find the link in the description as well. Once you are on the page, click on sign up with your Apple ID. Then you need to download the profile. Go to settings, system update, check for the update. The iOS 14 public beta 2 will appear the way it is coming on the screen. Now click on download and install to start the process. The upgrade will just happen the way as a normal iOS upgrade. And mine took about 20 to 25 minutes to download and install the entire package. Once I'm done, here you go. The iPhone now is on iOS 14 public beta 2. I will not get into the detail of features of iOS 14, but the video was more to walk you guys through the process of how to upgrade iPhone to the public beta. I hope you guys liked the video and find it useful. Until next video, stay safe. Ciao.